Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Pranjal and today we will be learning the principle of design. In this video, we'll be just overlooking the principles of design. In the following series of this video, you'll get a detailed explanation of all of these principles of design. This is going to be a very short video. In this, first thing we must understand what is principles of design. So to know what is principle of design, we must understand what is element of design. Okay, so principle of design is a concept used to organize and arrange the element of design. What are the elements of design? Elements of design, you see these videos before you watch the principles of design, because elements of design are the foundation for building principle of design. So basically, if you know what is element of design, you will understand what is principle of design. It is a concept, but there are many concepts which help to organize and arrange the elements of design in such a way that they are pleasing and are arranged properly and well designed. Okay, so principle of design help in making design more perfect. Okay, so let's know what are the 5 principles of design we have. First is balance. What do you mean by balance? Balance, the word itself suggests not the physics balance, but a bit of physical balance comes into this. Balance is basically, symmetry. It's related to symmetry. Balance consists of asymmetrical design, symmetrical design, and radial symmetry. Okay, so let's learn about balance in a video here, up there. Okay, now what is proportion? Basically, proportion is proportion. Take, for example, this is a human. Okay, you can't have the body smaller than the head of the human. You cannot have it like this. This is not in proportion, but this is in proportion. Head to the proportion of body is an example of proportion. Now, take, for example, a pencil with its lid. This is in proportion with this, because if this is greater than the holding part, we will not be able to write with it, right? So here I think you understand the principle of design. You know what examples I'll be telling you in the descriptive part, okay, of the other videos I'll be making. What is rhythm? Basically, rhythm is a movement of the design. How our eyes move from one place to another in a rhythm. Rhythm can also be explained in a way such that rhythm is a pattern that is not predictable. Have a thought about this. What is emphasis? Emphasis is when you have many children and there's a teacher standing between them. She is different in height. She wears a different costume, that is clothing, and children are wearing uniform. This is an example of emphasis in real life. But what is emphasis in principle of design? Emphasis is taking many smooth circles and having a square in them. A principle of design of emphasis is this red color on this black mouse. It is emphasizing the use of this thing, right? Therefore, emphasis also plays a great role in design. Unity. Now, take examples of circles, but just draw them in different sizes. What are these? These are circles. So they are united to the word circles, and variety in the sense of sizes. So this is an example of unity and variety. To know these principles of design in detail, please see my other videos on them, and you will get this concept crystal clear. For now, thank you, and please do like, share, subscribe my video. This channel is for design, so make sure designers be learning on this channel. Thank you.